everyone, my name is Karen and this is Chosen Adventures Farm, and in today's video we're going to do a little update about what's been going on here. Where have I been? Well, here's where we've been.
Happy birthday!
Oh, you're crying so cute! She does.
Okay.
There you go. Great job.
Oh yeah.
You ain't awake? Yeah? Say hi. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Hi everybody.
Hi.
We had a baby. Yep, so as you've seen, we had a baby. It's been a whirlwind of emotions and experiences, and oh my gosh, I have been totally enjoying this time. This is my first baby, although this is our second daughter. And my gosh, it's been a whole experience, one that I hope to have a few more times. But anyways, yep, so we had a baby, and this whole time that we've been gone from YouTube, we did a couple of things. My first few months of pregnancy were kind of difficult. That's why I kind of stopped posting. It was pretty hard to focus on anything other than sleeping. Those first few months, I was super exhausted, and so I didn't really do much. And then, you get caught up in pregnancy and all of the other things, and so then posting was definitely not on my mind. But here we are. Here we are back, hopefully. So what were we up to in this whole time? Well, we ended up, telling my parents and telling everyone, and then I had a baby shower, started fixing the nursery. Funny thing is, the day before I gave birth, we were building the dresser that was going to go into the nursery, not fully unaware that I was going to give birth the following day because I gave birth at 37 weeks. And so the nursery wasn't even finished by the time we gave birth. And then, one thing, my husband had promised me that we were going to finish our master bath before baby came, and that did not happen. So a few days after I came home from the hospital, there he was putting the floors in our master bath, which was kind of funny, kind of hectic at the same time. But anyways, we are home, we are happy. Baby's already 3 months old, and we are living life. We are living life. Anyways, thank you for joining me in this video. I hope that you will continue to watch our progress here on the farm, continue to support our channel, and God bless you.